Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you some quick fixes you can try if you see the ntdll error in Windows 10. The first thing to do is restart your computer. It may sound too simple, but sometimes the error comes from a temporary glitch in memory. Restarting clears everything that is running in the background and gives your system a fresh start. Next, check for Windows updates. Click on the Start menu, type Windows Update, and open it. Then click Check for updates. If there are updates available, install them. Updates often replace or repair important system files, and this can remove the error without any extra steps. Another useful fix is to run the system file checker. To do this, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. In the black window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. This tool will scan all of your system files, and if it finds something corrupted or missing, it will automatically repair it. Updating drivers is also important. Outdated or broken drivers for your graphics card, sound, or network can cause this error. Right-click the Start menu, open Device Manager, expand the categories, and update each driver by choosing Search automatically for drivers. Installing the latest version can make the error disappear. These are the fastest and most common ways to fix the ntdll error. They do not take long and often solve the problem without advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.